Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, I'd like to talk about hashable versus unhashable objects in Python. The main purpose of hashing is to create an index for an object for quick lookup, for example, as a dictionary key or as a set member. If the object is hashable, the object's hashing function takes the object and returns a hash value, which is typically unique. However, only an object whose value does not change during its lifetime, we call it an immutable object, is hashable. This is because if an object's value changes, then the index cannot correctly track the object's value during its lifetime. In Python, the following object types are immutable, including string, integer, float, complex, num type, boolean, tuple, range, user function, lambda function, frozen set, and bytes. In contrast, the following object types are mutable, including list, byarray, dictionary, and set. Finally, memory view is hashable if the memory view's object is bytes, and is unhashable if its object is byarray. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe for more videos and hope to see you next time. Goodbye.